In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the basics of creating a mobile landing page in SMS-iT. On the left-hand rail, scroll down to Smart Tools. Click the arrow to open it up, then choose Mobile Page Builder. All you have to do is mouse over the blue button and click Add Mobile Splash Page. Now, while you may be used to drag and drop page builders with other platforms, this is designed to create a simple mobile splash page. I've found this to be most useful for embedding your mobile web sign up widgets and things like that. So if you want to respond to somebody and then have them fill out a mobile web sign up widget so you can collect their email and birth date that way, this is a great alternative. So I'm just going to call this complete info page. Now, you can put a logo in here if you'd like, and you can choose your background colors and text colors. So I'm going to make my background white. I'm going to leave the text color black, and I'm not going to deal with uploading an image. However, I want to embed my mobile web signup widget here. So I've copied the web signup widget, the embeddable, and I'm going to click copy. Now back here on my splash page builder, I'm going to click on this nifty thing here that says source. Now when I do that, I'm just going to paste that code in here. When I click on source again, notice I see a square that's all embedded. Now you may say, well, wait a minute, I don't really know what this means. You'll see in a moment when we're done and we save the page, you'll be able to see what this looks like. Now, notice you can change the background color of the entire body of the page, as well as the footer background color. I'm going to put my footer background to white as well. And in the footer text, I'm just going to put copyright 2022. And I'm going to put on here, oops. I'm going to also, be nice if I actually clicked it, right guys? I'm also going to go ahead and just click create page. Like, it is literally this fast and easy. Now, if I want to take a look at what this page looks like, all I have to do is click the view mobile page button and ta-da, here it is. Now, if somebody were to view this on a phone, this is what they're going to see. They're going to see what I typed at the top, complete info page, and then they're going to see everything on my join widget that I created. That's how easy it is to create a mobile splash page here. Now, a couple other features with this. If you want to send this page, you can literally click that green button. It'll take you over to your contacts. You can pick who you want to send it to, and it's easy enough to send. If you want to edit it, you can click on the edit button. It'll bring you back in. And if you say, hey, you know what? I want to add a logo. You can do that. I'm going to go ahead and just grab a logo right here. And then I'm going to go back down and hit save again. And now when I preview the page, I can see that the logo is on top of the page as well. So that's how easy it is to create a mobile splash page in SMS-iT.